What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe and today I am accompanied by my girlfriend Natasha and her sister
Trisha.
So today we're going to be teaching Trisha how to drive, and this is going to be super exciting, super scary. No? No, I have a lot of faith in Trisha, and Natasha does too. She has a couple of experiences in driving, so it's not like it's completely new, so that helps us with the training. This is the car that we're going to be using. It's a 2015 Nissan Versa, automatic transmission, so it's possibly the best type of instrument or type of transmission you want to use to teach somebody to drive. So let's go ahead inside and get familiar with the car and start this instruction. Wow. Already knows. Yeah, for real. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is right, so adjust the seat to your settings. That's good. Perfect. Okay, awesome job, awesome job. So you remember Prindle, right?
Prindle.
Parking, reverse, neutral, drive, and low gear, right? So you already know that. In case you guys didn't know, that's to park, that's to go back, that's to stay neutral, that's to move forward, and that is to go up a hill or the situation where you need lower gear. Okay, so now that you've pretty much gotten everything adjusted and ready to start, you've adjusted the rear view mirror here. These are the side view mirrors. So are they, have you moved them or adjust them to fit your field of view?
Yes.
So let's reverse out, and then we're going to the stop sign over there. So look at that form, babe, look at that form.
I know, I taught her that. I take credit for that. I think I reversed the wrong way.
You did, but that's fine.
That's it, you failed.
That's it, gone. I would go a little bit more, just so you, yeah, just so you have a little bit more space to like turn directly, and you don't have to like turn multiple times.
Before you start letting go, you turn all the way first, and then let go of the brake. Let go of the brake. There you go. You see? Yeah.
So let's get to the stop sign first. You're in a parking lot, so you're going, that's a good speed. All right, so stop. We gotta come to a complete stop at the stop sign, always.
Oh, before it?
Yeah, and actually reverse for a second.
It's okay.
Yeah. Here, the stop sign, I'm gonna show, keep going back. The stop sign, you don't really see it that, like, over there, for example. Over there, you see the stop sign has like a little white line there. You need to stop before that.
Okay.
Reason why is because when that's basically the safe spot, or like a buffer between people crossing and the car stopping. So you have to stop right before that, because if you stop a little bit on the line or after it, they're gonna fail you immediately. Like, stop signs are like, you have to get that right.
Always look left and right before you go. Okay. And then do you guys want me to go left?
Yes.
And I wait like 3 seconds at a stop sign, right?
3 seconds is good.
Yeah. Well, oh. Yes.
I think.
Wait, yield? You can't. What does it mean? Emerging drivers must prepare to stop if necessary.
The cheat codes. Another thing that's super important that we actually didn't cover, you should always also have your passengers put their seatbelts on before they move, because
guys, come on.
there you go. Okay, so Trish, we're gonna do a 3-point turn here. So what that is I'm gonna draw it, like, well, show you. So it's going to be a 3-pointer, so it's 1 turn, 2 turn, and 3 turn. What the fuck?
Do
Good.
a 3-point turn. I would have to. Can I show you what I'm talking about? Yeah. Okay. This is so like. So okay, let's say you enter into the wrong area in the shopping center. You have to go back and exit. A 3-point turn. You turn the wheel all the way, because you don't. There's no. Like, this is a one-way. You can't really make a U-turn there. So let's say you want to make a U-turn right here, right now. You turn your wheel all the way to the left, because that's where you want to go.
Right.
but then obviously you can't make a U-turn, you're stuck. So then you reverse, go all the way to the right before you let go of the brake, and then that's when you look back, you reverse, right? And then drive again, go all the way to the left because that's where you want to go. That is a 3-point turn. You made a U-turn without actually making a U-turn.
And you need 3 turns in order to do that.
Turns. Let me go around like where we were so that you could do the same thing that I did.
Obviously, she's driving a little fast in a parking lot. Police get her. So you're like, oh no, I went the wrong way. Whatever shall I do? Do a 3-point turn.
No, Trish, remember, you have to turn the wheel all the way first before you let go.
It's fine, it's fine. Well,
yeah,
just go a little bit further, more.
I thought it was like
Here.
as if I was making a U-turn already. But you have to turn the wheel first all the way before you let go of the brake. Cause
before even doing the left?
No, I'm saying you have to turn the wheel first. Keep your legs on the brake. You don't want to let go of it because as you're turning, it's gonna go.
Right.
But you wanna turn the wheel first so that once you let go of the brake, your car is gonna go all the way already. It's not gonna take its time. At 3-point turn, they're gonna see if you're gonna keep your foot on the brake and go all the way first before letting go. Because you're gonna.
Yeah, and you're gonna start shifting. Turning the wheel all the way.
All the way, yes.
And then let go slowly. You don't even have to give it gas. Just let it roll by itself.
Look at the back. Keep going. If you have space, keep going.
Good form.
Okay, and then brake. Go to drive. Go all the way before you let go of the brake.
Right. To the left.
To the left.
Right. Sheesh.
Let's do that again.
Perfect 3-point turn.
Okay, let's go this way.
So we're gonna have her stop at that stop sign over there and just reverse all the way back to there. The objective is for her to obviously put her hand over and be able to see and reverse fluidly. So give it some gas, but not too much gas. So let's go ahead and teach you.
Better?
Yep. Now we're going to guide her on how to drive on the roads. On the Miami roads, which is like a war zone, I swear. So here you would have to look both ways now. Obviously there's no cars going to be coming through there, but you're going to want to look to the left and you have some cars coming your way now. Yeah, okay, so start turning in. Yep.
Honestly, on the right.
Right, on the right lane. So start giving it gas. Give it gas. Yeah. A little bit more. Notice the speedometer. Speed limit is 35, so you need to be at 35.
And which way do you guys want me to go? Just follow the road.
A little bit faster, Trish. Because
Actually, okay, use your turning signals to the left.
not yet, because there's a solid line here. So you're not supposed to turn until you get the dotted line. So solid lines, you can't make lane switches. Over there, you're gonna see it starts becoming dotted. So go ahead and use your turning signal.
Wait,
Okay, yeah. So look at your mirror.
wait, there's a car coming.
Yeah.
No, wait, yeah.
Put your signal though. No one knows that you need to turn until you have it there. So you have to stop here. Like this white line, you have to stop before the white line. Like this guy, what he's doing, he's not.
Oh.
Yeah, they'll fail you for that. So you have to be a little bit before the line. Here, you're gonna have to wait until there's no cars coming. So start going straight. Okay, now turn, start giving it gas and go make a left that way. Like here. Yeah, all good. This is, Yeah, give it a little bit of gas. Yeah, don't worry.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, just... Okay, 30 miles per hour is the speed limit, so just stay there. How are you feeling? Good?
Yeah.
Good. Make a left here. Make a left. Yeah, start turning. Good, good. Hey, good turn. Good turn. Sheesh. Okay, good. Now watch for that mailbox that you have behind you. Good. Yeah, that's good. Like you're getting a feel for how much space, you know, the car has. That's really important. There you go.
Woo! Good job.
Yeah, we're getting Shake Shack out there.
Give it a little bit of gas. Now, it's really important that when you merge onto a lane and you do see a car coming, because there's going to be times that cars are coming but kind of far away. If you're going to turn in, you have to give it a little bit of gas. That way they don't have to come to a complete stop to hit you. You know what I mean?
Right.
So when you turn into a road like this, start giving it some gas. Obviously, you don't want to floor it and go very fast,
Just
but
a little bit.
right. Speeding comes with confidence, so you're gonna obviously over time your acceleration is gonna get better. It's because you're gonna have a lot more experience with it.
But what, like, okay, since it's 30 miles per hour, I can go like 35, right? Like
Just 33. You know, 35 at most, but you don't want to go anymore because then you could get a ticket. Left, yeah. There you go. You see, you're going a little bit into the, yeah. When you're turning in, make sure to actually go into the right lane because there could be cars at that left lane for them, so you could actually bump into them by accident. So this is a 4-way intersection, right? And there's a stop sign on each one. So you got here first, so depending on where you have to go, so if you have to go there, there, or there, you have the right of way to go. Anybody else that gets here after you has to wait, in theory.
Let's say there's a car on the left and you want to go there, make sure you put your turning signals so they know where you're going.
Right.
And if, okay, let's say only that lane and this lane have a stop sign, but these two on the right and left don't, they have the right of way because they don't have a stop sign. They don't need to.
I'll show you right now. So notice how right here, this has a stop sign and this has a stop sign, but you don't have a stop sign. You could go. You could keep going, but they need to stop. So in the case that you got over there, you have to stop and then wait until anybody that's passing either this way or this way. Okay, so now Natasha's going to show us how to make that fluid turning movement. So Trish, get a feel for the car. Feel the car every time she places the brake and accelerates. Really feel it.
Yeah. I feel like I'm being tested now. You know, like I feel like.
You see the brake, how it's like slow? I saw that.
It's starting to brake a little. I signal. I look. Turn.
Flawless queen. Now here, remember that when you're gonna make that turn in, you want to give it gas. Like you want to not be able, you don't want to merge into a lane like this not giving it gas, because then people that are coming pretty fast, which is normal, they have to stop, and you know, you don't want to cause an accident. So look at this guy right here. You don't want to make him come to a complete stop. So you want, as soon as you turn in, after you've determined that it's safe to go, you give it gas. There you go. There you go. Good.
Now we're going to the Y.
Yes.
Yeah, just.
All right, stay on this lane. Yeah. Okay guys, so that was basically the video. I hope you guys found this video informative and entertaining. Trish, what do you have to say? Like, what do you think?
How do you feel?
Thank you guys for teaching me. I feel like I'm better at it. I still need practice for sure, and especially parking. But overall, it was amazing. Honestly, I learned a lot.
Good. Like to hear that. Natasha and I will be opening up our driving school company, so we are taking students. We are taking students. But yeah, guys, so go ahead and comment on the section below. What did you guys think? What did we miss? That way, anybody that watches this, you know, can have some pointers on the bottom. I'll go ahead and pin those comments. Guys, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 5,000. That's the goal for 2021.
Yes.
And
We're almost there.
this guy, I got slapped by a fly or something like that. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, my how-tos, my vlogs, etc., etc. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.